This is the spot I was in for most of yesterday. It's fire ring, trail's right there. It's windy, so hopefully everything's dried out. There are a couple of physical halfway markers. I'm not sure exactly where they are because they're from like 2011 and stuff like that. Then I guess they were like, oh, actually the trail changes every year. Maybe we shouldn't put up a big fancy sign. So that's somewhere between Pine Grove and Fayetteville, but I'm not sure exactly where they are. We are entering Pine Grove Furnace State Park. Have this fancy Sobo sign. Came down this path. Now we're standing here, gonna walk up to the AT Museum, which is closed. The Iron Master's Mansion, which I think is a hostel, that's also closed. And then go back into the woods. Somewhere around here is where the half-gallon challenge takes place, but everything's closed and it's November, so I'm not eating snacks anyway, or ice cream. This is the AT Museum. They have one halfway sign here. They are closed until April. I believe the Pine Grove Furnace General Store is where the half-gallon challenge takes place. That's that building right there. I think we're gonna go by it. Here's the general store. I don't believe they have any dairy-free options, but if you eat regular ice cream, you should be able to do it here, as long as you're here between like April and October. And this is Iron Master's Mansion. Pretty sure this is a hostel that the ATC operates. Also closed, like I said. This is the marker that was put up in 2011. It is just north of the Tom Run shelter. I think this is the one people usually get their picture with. Also a mailbox here if you need to, I guess, write in the log. Maybe mail something from out here. This is the back of the Tom's Run shelter. It's got a little picnic pavilion here. Pretty fancy fire ring, but on the smaller side. This trail has been super smooth all day. If it stays like this, I could probably get to the Birch shelter, which is like 13 or 14 miles. The prescribed burn notice from 2017, over 5 years ago. This is the marker for the 2022 halfway point. Almost walked past it. Yeah, you'd think they have a better waterproofing system for this. Kind of impressed they have it at all, because the mileage changed a little bit every year. I'm a little over a mile from the shelter. This has been amazingly flat ground, so I'm gonna get there well before 4, I think. I'm not gonna try and push it any further though. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do on Sunday because it's supposed to rain. I just checked the forecast and it's supposed to rain like the Wednesday after that. So this would be a lot easier to finish if I didn't have to worry about it raining all the time. I don't know what these green things are, but they're all over the trail. It's the only one that's been intact. There's another one. This is the Birch Run shelter. There's a privy. There's a bear pole back in there. Plenty of camping area. It's only 3 o'clock, but I think I'm gonna call it. I was looking at the comments for this shelter, and apparently there's bed bugs, so I'm gonna keep going a little bit. There's probably a flat space somewhere, because this section's actually been really good about having dispersed camping sites. This time, I'm really done. Looks like there's lots of pretty good trees here. This spot is just north of Ridge Road. There was a little path that went back here. It's a super nice spot, so I'm gonna set up a little bit away just because I don't like being near roads in general. I hiked 16.4 miles today. The trail was super smooth all day, so it was super easy to do. There's 8 miles to Fayetteville. Probably gonna try to get a room in 0 because of the rain. Maryland is 26 miles away. Harper's Ferry is 67 miles away, I think. So, thank you for watching, commenting, donating, subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.